All right, guys. So if you have a car that's been in an accident, or maybe you're rebuilding a car, you work with salvage cars, you probably know of sites like Copart, Salvage Auction. But anyways, besides all the rebuilding costs, and obviously the whole point is to make some profit selling this car and things like that, I want to talk about seatbelts because that's one of the things I can almost guarantee that you faced locked seatbelts. And locked seatbelts, when they don't work, you got to replace them. They have a gas charge in them that goes off, and this usually with or without the airbags, and then you got the whole airbag light on and the module that needs to be reset. Anyways, they cost a lot of money. For example, this Mercedes seatbelt is like 900 bucks new. This used one is 684, but that's just one. If you want to, it's just crazy. Anyways, I'm here to show you safetyrestore.com, which is a company that rebuilds or repairs seatbelts after accident. What you do is you mail them in. They do it in 24 hours and mail them back. Highly rated company, safetyrestore.com, seatbelt repair. And they do all types of seatbelts. The prices are just pennies compared to what new ones cost. So they got single stage seatbelts. These are seatbelts with just one plug, $64.99. Dual stage seatbelts, two-part seatbelts with the pretensioner, $99.99. Triple stage seatbelts with three, they got the two plugs and the pretensioner, $114. Anyways, crazy cheap. You buy two of these new 680, that you're over 1,200 bucks. Here, you buy two of them, that's 200 bucks. You're saving hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. They also do airbag module reset. So if your airbag light's on or your airbag's deployed, you have crash data stored. Crash data cannot be erased by an OBD scanner. Those OBD tools only erase soft code. So if you got crash data or hard code stored, you remove your module, mail it in 24 hours. They'll clear it, make it as new factory programming, and you're back in business. So again, safetyrestore.com, they do it all. Seatbelt repairs, module reset services, and they do a ton of other stuff like OEM webbing replacement, custom color seatbelts. So if you want to upgrade your interior, get some colors, red, yellow, blue, this is it. This is the company for you. And then another popular service, the dog chewed seatbelts. Yeah, if your dog chewed your seatbelts, mail them in, they'll replace them for you. If you're in the salvage industry or you've been in an accident, you have locked seatbelts, your airbags light on, you're trying to save some money, a lot of money actually, don't buy new seatbelts, don't go to the dealer, don't go to the junkyard, safetyrestore.com. They do all US, they do Canada, you mail it in 24 hours, OEM parts, and lifetime warranty on everything. Quick safety restore, Google search, highly rated, 4.8. This is of January 2019. A ton of reviews, and it's just a big, big money saver. So go ahead. You're welcome. Seatbelt repairs and airbag module reset services, safetyrestore.com.